Sure do. Who threw this away?
I did.
Who threw this away? You threw it away? Why?
This one's empty.
Empty. That look empty to you?
Looks empty to me.
Yeah, it looks empty to me, too.
Mr. Hotshot, is it empty? Huh? Is it empty?
Dad!
Now. Is it empty? Stop! Now, Mr. Big Time Hotshot Prep School fucker, is it empty? Is it empty? Huh?
No.
Good. All right. Now clean it out. Clean it out! Now, was it empty? Huh? Was it empty?
Yes! Get away from him or I'll kill you. What's going on here? I got this scholarship and you went nuts. He's crazy and I'm leaving.
Ray, go. Finally, about time. Go.
No, don't worry. I'm gone. Just give me my paper route money.
That money is gone with the wind.
No!
That's right. I spent it as you made it for things that we needed. It's gone. Poof.
You know
Poof.
something, Dwight? It's not so much that you've been disappointing. It's that you've been consistently disappointing.
Fancy talk. Fancy talk for a whore. Fancy talk. Oh, yeah. I know a thing or two about a thing or two. I got friends in this town, and they tell me things. And I found out some guy down at that campaign headquarters, he found you a job in Washington, D.C. You're gonna run off with him, aren't you, Miss Whore? Aren't you, Miss Whore?
You are pathetic.